If your team receives items with lot or serial number, manual entry can easily create mistakes. In Acumatica 26R1, these numbers can be generated automatically based on predefined template. Hi, my name is Regina. I'm a business analyst at AcuPower, and now I will show you how it works during receiving. The setup starts with lot serial classes screen. Here we define how the item should be tracked, when the number should be assigned, and what format the numbers should have. So here we see the tracking method. It can be lot or serial numbers. In this case, I choose lot numbers. Assignment method when received, so the numbers will be generated when we receive the items. And here you see the template of the numbers. For me, it's a prefix, the date, and auto-incremental value. Here I have a second lot serial class for you. It's one I created for serial numbers. It's here still the same, and for numbering settings, I choose also the prefix, serial number, the date, and auto-incremental value. If I choose this one, instead of type the lot or serial number manually, Acumatica creates a consistent number automatically. Now let's look on this stock item. It's linked to the lot serial class that tells Acumatica that this item required a lot tracking. You can see here a lot serial class, auto lot. I also created a second one to show you how it looks like if you track serial numbers. Now, let's receive some inventory. I also already created a purchase order. You can see it here. Here you see our two items, the first one with lot tracking and the second one serial number tracking. We will go to the purchase order received. And now the magic is happening. You can see here the lot serial number. In this case, for the first item, which is lot tracked, we can see the lot number. It's one number for all quantity, for all the 100 pieces we receive now. And the second line, we have a serial number tracked item. And here we see split. This is because our line contains 10 different serial numbers. We will release this receipt. And then I can show you where we can also see the lot and serial numbers. Now we will go to the inventory summary, this screen. And now I can choose the first item with lot tracked numbers here. Each 100 pieces has one lot number. And then I can show you the other one, which is serial number tracked. And here you can see each unit has its own number. So for regulated industries like food, pharma, medical devices, and any business that deals with warranty, this will reduce manual errors and make traceability much easier. This was automatic lot and serial number generation in Acumatica 26R1. And if your team is still entering these numbers manually, this is a good reason to discuss an upgrade with us.